one of my favorite herbs is oregano. If you have stomach pain, in fact my son had stomach pain and we used to use this to relieve from stomach pain. He used to feel better after about 1 hour. So this year I'm going to plant this in a bigger pot, and then in the winter we are going to take inside. So that's my plan. And let me put here, this is oh I had two pot in the same one. Oh no. All right, so I'm going to put here this homemade natural organic potting mix here. I don't spend a lot of money for the potting mix, only for the peat moss that I cannot produce at home. Rest, oh I forgot something. I have to loosen this so that the roots are sprayed. And I'm going to put this ore for a few days in the little shade area until they are established very well. After that, they will be okay. Now in Maryland, it's not raining it has not been raining for many days, so it's a little tough for plant. So I hope that it will rain soon, and then they will do good. All right, so now I have another herb. This is also very good for our health. So it's called thyme. Let me gently take it out. It has so many small roots and small leaves, all small stems, everything is small. This guy, I'm a little concerned that it came. So I'm going to squeeze here. So I'm going to use this pot again. This is my natural organic homemade compost. This is one of my favorite herbs, thyme. It's lemon thyme. It's so beautiful. Wow! I want to eat a little bit. My hands are dirty, but I don't care much. Oregano and wow! It smells so good. I love all kinds of ore because ores are natural healing. They are natural cure for our holistic health. They take care of our health holistically, meaning they don't cure the symptom, but they cure the root cause. So that's why I like ores. They have medicinal properties. Many pharmaceutical companies, they make medicine from all over the world. So we have to protect, we have to save plant, we have to save ores. They are our life-saving. In the ancient time, there were no any allopathic modern medicine. At that time, the only way to survive was the use of different type of ore. That's the indigenous knowledge we have to use to not only use, we have to spread this knowledge. I'm not saying that we have to just totally depend on ores. I'm saying that they could be one of the option. There could be one very reliable alternatives to healing. It's not only like we have to depend on allopathic medicine. So my mom had cancer. At that time we were using different type of herb. So that's just I'm sharing a little bit about that, and thank you.